non-chain side is not as dirty as the chain side. Because there's not that waxy shit shooting all over the fucking place, getting everything filthy. So this is why I wear gloves. This is from that solvent. So it's ruining my glove. You really don't want it on your fingers. Think of all of the weight savings. We just eliminated about a pound of chain grease. 1 pound. Tell me I'm wrong. Keep that for now. Try the last of our isopropyl. Add that to the buy it now list. Oh, pretty clean. Pretty clean. Still pretty clean. I need to get this. And this. What the fuck is that horse doing? Oh, never mind. Not a horse. Neighbor. There was a furry right here. Keep that over there. Keep those right there. That's better. Okay, so this is clean inside and out. When the paint gets here, we'll paint it. So set it to the side. Sometimes I recommend bag and tag, just in case. So the rims are at the tire store. I got there about 10:30, 11. There was a line, so I had to drop them off. And then they just texted me, and I'll pick them up tomorrow in the morning. So, no tires yet. But I've got the front sorted. fenders in there. Oh look, there's exhaust. More exhaust. No exhaust. Why'd you take off the exhaust? Well, I'll tell you why. So, I was going to clean this. And then I said, why don't I just put on the aluminum one? So, that's what we're going to do. In a minute. Well, today. I don't know. Soon. So I was fortunate that it came with the original and a spare, and then the steel. So the original, it's got a big crack right here, it goes all the way through, and then stop, don't drop that, and then there's another crack here and here. So I know a guy. I may be able to get this repaired. It's possible. But then this other one is got a deeper girder, right? See this one? See that one? Deeper girder, and it's beveled on the inside. There's no cracks in it that I can find. I mean, I don't have a specific way to check it other than to look at it with my eyeballs and a magnifying glass, and I did that and I can't find anything wrong with it. So it looks to be a different generation, right? Maybe first gen, second gen, I don't know. I don't know shit about them. But it's definitely cleaner. And I tried to polish it a little bit. I'm not going for chrome look. I don't like that on swing arms. So I polished a little bit, cleaned it up. And then the hardware is a little bit different, but not too bad. So got to take the exhaust off. No, you don't have to take the exhaust off to get this on. I have to take the exhaust off to get my jack under there to hold it up. So jack it up, and we'll pull the steel, switch all of the things over, and then we can put this on. And I'm going to like that very much. I am. So since we pulled the exhaust off, I went ahead and took the mounts and sprayed them with the high temperature black. And then, because stainless doesn't mean stain proof, I gotta clean this up and make it look like that, because that's what I have to do, because I took it off. So another stroke of luck, all of these came off the exhaust studs and nothing broke. I mean, they were rusty, but they came off no problem. We're going to clean this up and make it look like this. And then we can jack up the motor, jack up the bike on the motor, and then drop that swing arm and stick on the aluminum. And that'll give me a little bit of time, opportunity to wipe that down a little bit. The clear coat's all come off and it's faded and stuff, but like I said, I'm not pulling the motor yet. But this way I won't have to do this when I do, right? So, you know, one step at a time. So that's all for today's episode on the Ducati modifications. Thanks for watching. If you like anything you see, hit the like button. It's over here. And if you want to keep getting notifications and getting told that there's a new video, hit the subscribe button. It's over here. I appreciate it. Thanks. Y'all take care. Oh, let me check my hair. No, not too bad.